Hello everyone. I'm starting a challenge. If I have to persuade you to take part in it, you're not ready, and that's okay. I'm starting a challenge, 30-day challenge for people who grew up in dysfunctional families, who have not been parented enough or properly enough for them to function to the best of their abilities in today's world and in their current situation. So I'm not talking to people who have means and resources to go to therapy or reach out or access any sort of help. I'm talking to people who live quietly with depression and anxiety, different forms of anxiety. So in the next 30 days, every day, I'm going to teach you about your nervous system. I'm going to teach you about the power and nature of your mind. And I'm going to teach you how to meet yourself and work and repair the relationship with yourself, because that's the most important relationship you will ever have in your life. The relationship from which everything stems, and actually it's like a ripple effect. So the relationship with yourself is actually the root cause, the quality of that relationship is the root cause of everything you experience in your life. So in the next 30 days, I'm going to deliver to you the knowledge, the insights that I have learned as a therapist in thousands and thousands of hours of working with people in Europe, in the UK. And I'm going to share that knowledge every day. I'm going to show you how to work on the relationship with yourself. So by the end of this challenge, in 30 days, you're going to feel lighter, you're going to have more clarity, you're going to know what to do in the relationships you have, because once you address and actually stop abandoning yourself and start connecting with yourself, and stop this bullshit of, oh, I need to be doing this, or I need to be listening to that person. No, it's all about connecting with yourself. So we're going to heal, and I'm not saying I'm going to solve all your problems, but I'm going to teach you how to start actually connecting with yourself, stop abandoning yourself, stop betraying yourself, so you can have more fulfilling life, and you can have like an everyday experience that you look forward to, as opposed to dreading it, as opposed to trying to numb it. So whether you're drinking, smoking, taking drugs, have some behavioral compulsions, hop on board, welcome to the club, and we're going to absolutely go deep. It's going to be deep work that you need and want. And as I said, for the next 30 days, I'm going to deliver wisdom nuggets, insights from the therapy room. Everything I've learned everything is written, so there's no random shit. This is not going to be, oh, if you want to do this and you not feel motivated. No, I'm going to be talking about very difficult experiences that you went through. I'm going to be facing some shit. So hop on board, welcome, and join the club, and give it a like, follow me, and I'll see you tomorrow.